I'm Michael Mills, the Fleet Manager at Essential Energy.
My name's Lisa Maestri and I'm the Fleet and Planning Services Lead.
At Essential Energy, we're responsible for building, operating and maintaining the distribution network that delivers power to 95% of New South Wales and parts of southern Queensland.
We have 3,500 assets, of which 2,000 are road-going assets, and these include passenger vehicles, light commercial vehicles and heavy vehicles.
There are over 1.4 million power poles in the network, over 180,000 kilometres of power lines. We've got just over 880,000 customers across New South Wales and parts of southern Queensland.
Between 7am and 9am, our fleet do the equivalent of a lap around the circumference of the world.
It was critical that we implemented a system to keep our drivers safe, our communities safe and reduce the risk of road trauma.
The vision of the project was simple: to provide an effective solution to lower driving risk.
We implemented a project to install an IVMS solution, so in-vehicle monitoring solution, to all of our road-going assets.
We had 4 aims in the project. The first one was to be able to immediately locate a vehicle in duress.
Provide data on vehicle information to implement safe driving behaviour.
The third was to capture journey information to manage fatigue. And the fourth was to capture asset information to better manage the life cycle of those assets.
We undertook a rigorous tender evaluation process to ensure that we captured all options on the market.
We undertook extensive field trials with end users and stakeholders.
And we also ensured values alignment between Essential Energy and the successful vendor.
We engaged with 31 stakeholder groups. We had external reference groups and global IVMS experts consulted.
We identified and partnered with Nova Systems, who supplies our IVMS system using Geotab hardware and internally developed software platform for the user portal. It has a duress function that can be manually activated, and it also automatically detects a collision or a rollover out in the field. The device measures and records GPS speed, location, harsh braking acceleration, and it also records and measures journey times.
A user-friendly portal allows drivers and managers to access their data in accordance with company privacy policy and workplace surveillance legislation.
We have an internally developed app called FIAS. FIAS allows the driver or custodian to complete a thorough pre-operational inspection before use, and also it handles our defect management system.
This then allows the work to be scheduled by our planners. Oracle Maintenance Cloud is our computerised maintenance management system, which enables us to plan and deliver our maintenance and also complete our plant inspections.
At Essential Energy, we're committed to road safety. We utilise the Towards Zero program to deliver on this commitment.
The program focuses on improving driver awareness
and increasing the awareness of the risk of driving. This risk is present not just for us as employees in Essential Energy, but also in the rural and regional communities that we work in every single day.
We're now able to locate vehicles when they're in duress.
Giving drivers and their managers access to an easy-to-use portal to apply self-correcting behaviours, we've seen a reduction in overall kilometres, reducing fuel consumption and our road risk.
We've been able to recover some stolen vehicles. We've also been able to assist a member of the public in a roadside accident where no mobile phone coverage was available.
And we've been able to overlay flood and fire maps in the event where there's been a crisis across New South Wales recently. Some advice I'd pass on to other organisations looking to install IVMS is understanding just how big of a risk driving is in the workplace, and doing nothing about it is simply not good enough. Talk to as many other customers, suppliers and organisations as you possibly can. Listen to what they say, listen to their lessons learned, learn from their mistakes.
So talk to stakeholders early, talk to them throughout the project and keep on talking to them through all the decisions.
Have a specific scope and stick to it at all times.
Make sure you keep it simple, don't let the project scope creep.
Test the solution thoroughly. When you think you've got a winner, please test it again.
I'm really proud of the fact that we were actually able to get this project across the line, that we've had an impact on driver behaviour and that our workers are safer at work.
I'm really proud of everyone at Essential Energy for being able to implement and adapt to using this technology. The improvement in driving behaviour where we see across our communities, rural and regional. And I'm really proud of our ability to influence driving behaviour and keeping those people safe. Not only the things that we learn at work, we can also apply these learnings outside in our personal life, keeping our own family and friends safe.